Here's a 2004 Dodge Caravan. Used for mail delivery, just an old vehicle. This one is the 4-cylinder, and I had just got done replacing the radiator. And that wasn't too bad. I didn't record it. If y'all need me to, I can. But the issue now is the door. And the sliding doors don't close all the way. The hinge is broken. So I'll be taking the hinge off and then replacing it with a used one that I'm gonna pull off my soon to be deported Caravan or Chrysler Town & Country. Let me show you how to do this. All right, the donor vehicle is gonna be this vehicle right here that I used to use on my mail route, but transmission went out in it and it just wasn't worth fixing. So this thing's about to die an honorable death, being cut up at a fire department for extrication practice. So I'm gonna snatch the hinge right out of here because these hinges actually are good. So it's a 10 millimeter, get them loose. Now you're gonna want somebody either holding the door or something underneath because it will flop down. But I'm not really worried about this one since it's going to be cut up anyway. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this one here, and the hinge will come right out. So get a closer look. There's 2 screws right there. Hey, can you go down there and just kind of hold it at the bottom so I don't lose fingers? Okay, that's a lot better. Now I got one more. When I get the hinge off, we're gonna close the door. Like I said, this is hey, pick up on it a little bit. I am. All right, hold on. Yeah, okay, now carefully. Okay, watch your fingers. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get it lined up. Don't slam it on me. Move your fingers. All right, got it out, and hopefully, there. This one's actually in good shape. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and I'm just gonna rub these off of here. We got them, the old ones that I'm reusing, but they're in really good shape. So you're gonna go toward the end back here, loop up, and make sure it's rolling. Line it up and put these bolts in. Maybe I can do one holding at the same time. Let's see. Oh yeah, not too bad. Okay, get it started. All right, let's get the other one in there. And then, whoop, don't close on me yet. Then get your 10 millimeter and crank it down. You got to keep these old vehicles running when you can. All right. And so let's see how it closes now. Will it go all the way? Yes! Okay. It's not really beneficial to buy a brand new mail vehicle and use it on the route. It's just going to break constantly. If you can get an old one in good shape and keep it going, that's what you do. Mailman Mechanic. See you at the mailbox.